Everyone, this is Hunyah Travels, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make traditional pink tea, which is known as Kashmiri pink tea, and which is known all over South Asia. This video is from a request which I received. So this pink tea video is for the Christmas season and the holiday season, wishing everyone Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays 2020, and wishing everyone a Happy New Year in 2021. My ingredients for pink tea are brown sugar, pink tea leaves, which is the key ingredient, baking soda, and milk. Very simple to make. Take the pink tea leaves and put 3 tablespoons of pink tea leaves, which is this. This you could get at any grocery store. They're really easy to find. So 3 tablespoons of pink tea leaves, and 3 tablespoons is how much you need to get the full flavor. So goes in. Not too much. You need less because it's all going to be brewed later. So once the pink tea starts brewing, all these leaves will have the flavor in there. So that's why you only need 3 tablespoons of pink tea leaves. Add 4 cups of cold water into the pot. So one is done. This is the second one. This is the third. And this is the fourth. So 4 cups of water, and now put it on high heat to brew. Brewing pink tea takes about 30 minutes. When the leaves have all their colors out, all their flavors out, that's how you know the tea is ready for its next step. The tea leaves and water is pretty much red, which means it's almost ready for its next. Add in a pinch of baking soda, about 3 times. And now add in some sugar, some brown sugar, which is this. So just put it on the lid, and you have to put lots of brown sugar, and it goes in there. The brown sugar and baking soda with the tea leaves and the boiling water, as it's on low heat. And make sure you just keep mixing it like this or using a glass. And the ice for more flavor. This will give the authentic pink tea taste that you want. So just put it in. And here you go. So then this gives it. Add in about half cup of milk, and that's where the pink tea color shows. And now what you do is you mix it. mixing the pink tea like this with a cup, as it gives it more flavor. You can add in extra sugar or baking soda if you want, but this is what I put. So keep mixing it, and now let that sit there and simmer for about 5 minutes. Simmer for about 5 minutes, and then it's ready to be taken out and to be served with cookies or anything you'd like to eat. It's done, is ready to be served. So what you do is you take a ladle and you just put it in with a strainer, and then you have pink tea. So just keep putting it in. And this is the traditional style of putting in pink tea. You put it with a ladle, and then that's how you put it in. So the more pink tea you have, the better the taste. But if you have too much pink tea, that could result in getting into a headaches. So you have to be careful of that. So just keep putting the pink tea in. And the final result is delicious. And also, if you want some toppings, add in crushed pistachios and almonds and nuts, and it gives it a great flavor. You have pink tea, which is ready to be served with some cookies, Nimco, or something else. So have this ready with some crushed almonds, pistachios, and nuts, and your pink tea is ready for your holiday to start. So happy holidays, everyone, and Merry Christmas 2020, and wishing everyone a Happy New Year.